Hello friends, next we have a topic called pointer to pointer. So what do you mean by pointer to pointer? It means one pointer is holding another pointer address. That is called pointer to a pointer. Now see this declaration. Here we are having int star star q. In the previous examples we are having only one star, but here we are having two stars to indicate pointer to a pointer. See, one pointer is pointing to other pointer. So this type of pointers are also known as double pointers. Got it. Now we see one example here. First line, one normal variable we are declaring here, int a is equal to 5. Then second line, int star p, pointer variable declaration. Third line says that declaration of pointer to a pointer. So here we can see two stars. After that, p is equal to ampersand a means the first pointer is having the address of a. Then q is equal to ampersand p means the q pointer is holding the address of p pointer. Got it? Now see, this is the diagrammatic representation. A is equal to 5, the first line, address is 2000. Second one, pointer p, address is 4000. Next pointer q, address is 8000. Then you see this example, same code we are written here, and just we are taking 3 printf statements extra. It means we should know what is the value of a, star p and star star q. So that's why we are having 3 extra printf statements here. Rest all same. Now go for the first printf statement. Printf %d new line a. See, the value of this printf statement or output of this printf statement will be 5. Why? Because the a variable holds the value 5. The content it is going to print here. So output will be 5. Correct? The output of first printf statement will be 5. Second printf statement, printf %d new line star p is there. What is this star p? Star p is the pointer variable holding the address of a. Star p is a pointer variable which holds the address of a. You can observe here p is holding the address of a to 2000 here. Got it? It means this pointer is pointing to this location. When this pointer p is holding the address of a, then if you print with star p, the content which is stored in a is going to get as a output. It means you will get the output 5 here. Only p means address of a. Star p means the address, a's address, right? In that address, what is the value is there, that it is going to print. Then we are having, so second printf statement will be 5 also, output. Then printf %d new line star star q. See here, q is there. Q is having ampersand p. It means pointer address. Q is holding the pointer address 4000 here. It means this is pointing to this. Got it? If you take a star star q, see here you can observe star star q is pointing to indirectly a value. Why? Because the p is having 5 means what is the address is stored here? It will be a's address, right? Q is having p's address. It means indirectly it is pointing to the location a only. So that the output of this also you will get 5. See, star p this one, star star q this one. So you will get the output 5 for all the 3 printf statements. So here star star q is a pointer to another pointer. Thank you.